guys, it's Anna. Bienvenidos otra vez a mi canal. If you are new here, then what's really Gucci? So, as you guys can tell, this is going to be kind of a get ready with me and my first impression review, thoughts, all that good stuff on this Shop Hush Bad Habit Inferno Palette. I already showed this palette in a haul. If you guys haven't seen that video, it will be somewhere in the video or down below, something so that you guys can see the haul where I opened up all of the beautiful palettes from Bad Habit from Shop Hush. There's like so much there. In case you guys don't know what Shop Hush is, where have you guys been? Website, and they also do have an app where they sell super affordable makeup products. They even have beauty products, like I know they have like skincare stuff on there as well. A lot of their palettes are supposed to be dupes for higher end brands. Like this one, the Inferno palette, I'm pretty sure is supposed to be a dupe for the Urban Decay Naked Heat. I could be wrong, but I think it's supposed to be. This video is not sponsored at all. They did send me a ton of palettes to try out for you guys just to show you guys. Not only are these super affordable, these are actually really, really nice. If you guys are familiar with my channel at all, you guys know I don't really like to spend a lot of money on makeup, and I usually buy more affordable brands to use. These are like right up my alley. This was my first time using it. I'm super happy with the look that I came up with. Like, oh, super, super pretty. Like, look at this palette. This is what dreams are made of. I think it was only like $12 or something, which is insanity. If you guys are like me and you don't really like spending as much money on makeup, but you still want nice quality, beautiful, easy to work with palettes, Shop Hush is definitely the place to look for makeup. Like I said in my haul video, definitely check out their app. A lot of stuff usually is in stock in their app and not so much on the website. Let's just get on into the makeup look to show you guys how I got this eye look. Super easy. I'm just going in with my Ben Nye Luxury Powder. This is in the color Rose Petal. I decided to use something different today instead of the banana. I don't know, but so I like it in this little tub because I can just pour it out easily. And then I just go in with a little sponge. The palette today has a mirror in it, so that's what I'm gonna be using today. And I'm sorry if my lips look real gross because I have like this plumping lip gloss on it. It's, ooh. I'll fix it in a second because it's gross. Of this gloss off. Ooh. No plan at all for this makeup look. I go in first with this color Baked? And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. Especially when I'm trying out new palettes, I don't like to use an eyeshadow base just because I want to see how the eyeshadows actually truly perform. I do have foundation on my eye and I powdered that down, but I don't use a specific like base because I don't want to judge the eyeshadow, and it was actually because of the base that I had down. So I'm just putting this all over. I think I'm gonna go in first with this color right here. It's in the color Warm, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease with a really nice fluffy brush. I went in lightly. I am pulling it kind of far inward towards my nose to kind of shape around my nose as well. The color was kind of darker than I thought it was. I used my color switch on the brush first. I hope it didn't pick up. It should be clean. It came out like a lot darker than it looks in the pan. I think I'm gonna go in now with the color right here. It's in the color Bonfire. I'm gonna go in with a slightly smaller fluffy brush. I'm basically gonna go back over where I put that other color, but I'm gonna start it more in the outer corner and then go into the crease. And I'm not going to take it in as far as the other color. These are looking a lot more deep brown than what they look like in the palette. I am definitely getting a little bit of fallout, but it's not too bad. I go in with this color right here, the color Hotspot. I place that basically all over my lid again. Hopefully this doesn't turn out to be super brown, because it's like a reddish, like terracotta color, I guess. Yay. Oh, okay. Well, I got like chunks of it. I didn't mean to take it in that far in my inner corner. That just kind of happened because of the brush. I probably should have used a smaller brush. But so I'm really gonna build this up. I think I'm gonna go over top of it with a shimmer color, but okay, woo, that was really pigmented. So it's like getting out of control. Knocking all the fallout onto my carpet. I am still seeing a little bit. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but that's because I'm shaking off my brush like really good and then applying it to my eye. And I'm trying to kind of like pack it onto my eye, but it's super pigmented so far. The only thing too though is they're just coming out so much more brown than what they look like in the palette. I feel like it'll be a lot more brighter once I add the shimmer color. A lot more brighter, yeah. I go back in with this color in Baked just to kind of blend out the edges a little bit because I don't really like how far I took it in by accident, especially like right here. So I'm just gonna kind of blend this out. It's looking a little bit more gray around the edges than I wanted it to. So I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's in the color Burn. Go in with a fluffy brush. I'm gonna focus that and just kind of blend over the edge and where I put the other colors in the outer corner. This is getting way darker than I expected this look to be real fast. But I like how that looks better actually. Which shimmer shade I want to use because they're both so pretty. Let me like swatch it and make my decision. Oh, they're just so pretty. Maybe we'll go in with both. So first I'm gonna go in with Blaze on like a flat brush, and these shimmer shades, like I said, are so crazy soft, but the brush isn't really picking up too much of it, so I might have to apply it with my finger, or it might even be best with one of the sponge tip applicators. So we are about to find out. Yeah, see, it goes on, it's nice and subtle, but it's not like as pigmented as I wanted it. So I think these shimmer shades are gonna go on best if you just use your finger, or if you have like the sponge tip applicators. Oh, it's kind of crumbling apart though. Let's hope. See how it just like packs the color on? I'm gonna have to go over the edge again, I think, to blend it. Let's try with our finger. Yeah, see, with your finger, you can just like pack it on so much better. But you definitely have to like build it up. Oh, this is what's gonna give me all the fallout on my face. Alright, I actually like building it up better with the applicator and then like to top it off with my finger. So that's what I'm gonna do. And this kind of helps to like place it in the right spot. This might even go on better actually if you spray a brush as well and then apply it. So let's go in with Lit. And I'm gonna focus this though just on really the inner corner of my eye to kind of brighten it up a little bit. Like we need it, but. I really feel like I have a whole mess on my face right now. Okay, so now let's try to clean this up a little bit. I'm actually gonna take this color right here in White Hot with a fluffy brush. I'm gonna go just around the edges and just kind of blend everything together a little bit. Hopefully this doesn't change the color too much on anything. Going in really lightly and I'm really just kind of blending. I'm going around the edge first to make a nice soft edge, and then I'm going into the color and just blending everything. A little better? Slightly better. And in between that though, I'm gonna clean it off again just because I did dip into the color. And I'm gonna go around the edge of the other eye first. So. And then in the eye. Yeah, in my eye. For the bottom lash line, I'm just gonna go in with Hot Spot. And I'm just gonna take this all the way along my bottom lash line. Kind of blend it upward on the outer corner to the top. I just feel like these are so pigmented, it's really easy to like make a mistake. Like I just did. So you really want to try to go in with a light hand because they're just so pigmented. And definitely tap off your brush. I'm gonna use Burn. And I'm gonna focus that just on the outer corner and kind of blend the top and bottom together. Now bye bye bake. Let's just hope and pray that there's not like fallout everywhere. Which I'm pretty sure there's going to be. Oh my gosh, it wasn't even bad. Yes. But I don't know if you can kind of see, that's why it looks so messy around my eye. That's all the fallout. It's not as bad. I've definitely had palettes that were like with fallout, but like this isn't bad and it's wiping away perfectly. I do though feel like I messed it up a little bit on the bottom lash line just because I used a brush that was honestly too big for the inner corner. So I'm gonna go in again with White Hot, and I'm just gonna go on the bottom lash line on the very inner corner of my eye. You might not need to do this, but I just gotta like kind of clean this up. So I'm just kind of going underneath that line. And then kind of blending this around because it does have a slight bit of shimmer to it. What's weird though is that the shimmer didn't come out as much when I was going around the edge to blend everything, but now it's like full on. Ooh, it's actually really pretty. Not mad. Now I'm gonna go in with some liquid liner, and I'm actually using the e.l.f. Precision liquid liner. What are words? Liquid eyeliner. I think you can actually get e.l.f. stuff from Shop Hush as well, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on it. Okay, I'm just gonna let that dry, kind of. I feel like that eyeliner didn't really like the eyeshadow because I feel like I really had to like layer it up to make sure it was like black pigmented. But so now I'm gonna add some falsies. There are a ton of false lashes at Shop Hush that they have like on their site or on their app. I do want to try some of those. I've always heard good things about the Cara lashes, and they have those on there and they're super affordable. I do plan to try those. I actually have a ton of stuff in my cart right now on the app that I just need to buy. I'm actually gonna be using these today that I found at Marshall's. So this is my first time trying these out, so we'll see if I like these. So these are super fun looking, how they're all like spiky. I'm going to curl my lashes, apply these falsies, and then we'll be back. Love these lashes. They went on so easily. I am obsessed with these. I feel like these are gonna be really nice to like layer with other lashes as well, like a different style to really give it that nice like differentiation. Is that a word? And I know Sandra Deluxe here on YouTube has like an amazing, it's like a really simple like low-key tutorial for like how to like mix two lashes together. So I'm gonna have to do that with these. These are amazing. I'm gonna have to pick these up every time I find them. Now I'm gonna add some mascara. I'm just using the Maybelline Falsies mascara. This is like one of my all-time favorite mascaras. Do they have mascara on the Hush app? They probably do. They have like everything. They even have like skincare on there. But so I'm gonna add this to my lower lash line as well as my top lash line to blend the lashes and my falsies together. My lips really quick. I'm just gonna line my lips with this Jordana lip pencil. It is their Kohl Kajal lip liner in the color Honey. So I'm just gonna all the way line my lips and kind of fill it in a little bit with this. I think that I want to go with a glossy lip, but at the same time I'm not really sure. Wow, that lip plumper that I had on definitely took off my foundation around my mouth, so that's fun. I actually don't mind this as the lip color, and this feels so nice on. These are like super soft, but they make a really nice like crisp line along the edge. Okay, I think we're just gonna use this as a lip color. I might add a little bit of gloss, a little bit of gloss. I just broke it. No. Ew. So I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild lip gloss. This was from one of their collections. Yeah, the like little pop color collections, but this is in the color Raised on Good Corals. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of gloss, I think. Okay, we'll just add it. Oh, I liked it better matte. is everything for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried out any of the palettes or any other makeup from the Shop Hush website or app. Like I said, on the app I have like a cart full of so much right now that I'm gonna have to get ASAP Rocky because this stuff is so good. I really enjoyed this palette. Like I said while I was using it, some of the colors did come out to be a little bit darker than what they look like in the palette, but overall this is beautiful. They're super pigmented. There is a little bit of fallout, but I think it's just because they're so nice and soft, so you definitely want to tap off your brush if you're using it. Start with a light hand, build up the colors, because if you go in full on, you're gonna have really pigmented colors. But as far as, you know, my experience, everything blended so nicely together. Really common with a lot of softer shimmer shades where they don't really work as well with certain types of brushes. And I don't know, I haven't figured out which brush it is that they work best with, but if you use a finger or like I used the applicators, you should be Gucci. I am super happy with this palette. Would definitely 100% recommend you guys try it out. And I mean, it's only like $12, $15. I think it's $12. So I'm gonna keep saying that. For the price, this is amazing. It's not even like a cheapy palette. It's like a nice hardcore cardboard. You get a mirror in here and everything. This is just it. And if you guys want to see me do some more makeup looks with some of the other Shop Hush makeup palettes that I have, like I mentioned in the haul as well, I do have the actual Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes that some of the Shop Hush Bad Habit palettes are dupes for. So give this video a thumbs up if you want to see some more makeup looks with the Shop Hush makeup palettes, and I will definitely do that for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.